my 2nd-year anniversary giveaway. There are gonna be a 3 international winner. We're going to have a free gift to each one that win on this giveaway. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So we are doing something different on this giveaway. Before I start that, I wanted to explain to you guys my 2nd-year anniversary giveaway. So which means that I wanted to start on my description, my mechanic of how you guys gonna win, because there are gonna be a 3 international winner on this giveaway. We're gonna have accessories, like a fashion accessories, a fashion bag, makeup, skincare, and also we're going to have a free gift to each one that win on this giveaway. So we're gonna have a 3 winner, but the grand winner, she or he's gonna have a extra items that she's going to love, because this one it's a set. I will show you guys what is that. And then on that boxes also, you're gonna have a good free gift, like maybe a good chocolate in there, something snack, so when you receive it, so you get some like sweet for yourself. Okay guys, so I hope my lighting is actually better, because it's really sunny outside, so it's reflecting to my camera. Hopefully you guys are seeing this video good. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the box. This is the box right here, so I just put it right there. We're going to start on the makeup first, because I always like to start on the makeup. So we're going to have this. My baby really loved this one. This is like the sponge. You have 4 pieces in here, just like an egg, so which is I really like the case. Next, another sponge in here. This is like a teddy bear face right there. So you have 4. We have to have this one because sometimes people don't use their hands, so they don't use the brush. They love using a sponge. I mean, I definitely love using a sponge for it. So now we have a body cream right here from Refreshment, and then same thing, this is a hand cream, and this is body bath. And then next we do have a wipes. This one is the makeup remover wipe Peach. Next we have the Sun Goddess right here. This is 4 shade of palette. This is a vegan. They have the Sunbeam, Golden Hour, the Share, and Radiance. And then my next, this is the bronzer. I love this bronzer. This is from Scent, and you have the 4 different bronzer in here. And then we do have the Eloise, the Queen. So if you are very creative, really good on the art of your makeup, this one is amazing makeup. So you have a lot of color right here. And then the Pre-Man Exotic Mask. This one you have Hawaiian Black Salt Feel Off Mask. And then of course you're gonna have a set of ColourPop lip gloss or lipstick. So this is all the set ones. So you have from lighter to bold. I like them because they stay actually on your lips. So I do have 2 of this one. This is the other one I gave as a gift already because I didn't want to do a giveaway for that. I do have a lashes in here with the liquid liner. This one is like $22, and then you have to pay for this one, so the total of this one is like 30 something. Good lashes for me because I have the other one. This one is kind of thick for me and my eyes is not as wider. I think this is more for a different shape of the eyes. And then Agua lashes. So this one I have never tried it, so I can't tell you guys my experience for this one, but I seen that a lot of people have tried this one. This is for the water. So you just I think you just have to put a water on it, and then they activated the magnetic or something like that. And next one is the MAC lashes. This is like the other lashes, it's too big for my eyes, so hopefully that you guys, whoever will get this one, will fit on your eyelid or something like that. If not, you can always cut the end and shape it to your eyes. Other than that, it's a good lashes from MAC. And then we do have the Kiss, which is I use Kiss lashes all the time, but this one is a set for you guys. Next is the eyeshadow palette. This one from Chilla. It's also beautiful color. It has the bright matte blue in there, right there. This is, I really like this one, guys. When I purchased this one, it was like, you know, I kind of mix match this one because one has all the glitter, so I kind of put glitter in here. I gotta put one glitter in here, put a glitter in here. It's kind of mix match all these three, so that way the three winner will have like a glitter set for this. They are $10 each. I think I'm going to buy another one. It's because I like them. And then we do have a Paris from Ensign in here. This is, I choose like a natural color because I think that everyone, like a daily wear, it would be a really nice to wear something like this, like that. So this one, it has a little color, but the majority is actually like natural color. I want to make sure that I got three, so each box will have all this one. And then next one is the set of Ulta bags. So it has everything in there. You have the blush, eyeshadow over here, and then brows highlighter, and then brows gel, and then tinted lip oil. And then for the accessories, this is the sunglasses. I have three of this because there's three winners. So it's gonna be that I just have to choose which one I'm going to put this on the backs. I really like this one because it has that like a pink, you know. It's too big for me, of course, because my face is a little smaller, so it's kind of funny on my face. And then this, actually, if you love fashion, with this fashion necklace, this is like a trio, so it has that right there. I like this one because it's this, I think it's in like wearing a trio jewelry or something like that. This one, it's super cute. This is the fashion trio. That's the look. I think it's really cute. This is one of the giveaways, so you guys can see. I like it. That's really cute. And then this is the other one. So that's really cute too. I'm not going to try. I'm just gonna put some video so you guys can see. If you like wearing a fashion one, wearing it everywhere. And this one is so cute too because they're like small, like a really thin one, especially for the summer, and then you wear that glasses. And then this one, this is a little bit different because this one, it is a trio too, but they're all like super close together, but they are pretty cute as well too. There's another one I really like in here. This one is not the 3, this is the 4 one. One great thing about this one, guys, it goes to like, it's like the shorter one right here, and then the second one, it's a baby girl, then a roses, and then the last is the heart. So they're super cute. And this one, you actually can separate them. This is one of my my favorite one. I hope whoever get this one would love it because they are super cute. And this is the trio again, and then rose gold, but it's like a lot longer if you're wearing it, so it's kind of like that. And this one is just the 2 and a butterfly. I think they're super cute. I actually ordered this, like I ordered 2 of this because I just think that they're super cute. On summer, I love wearing dresses. So the butterfly, guys, is like this, and then you have, it's kind of like a choker, your butterfly right over here. So it's very simple, very cute. I like it. And then the earring, this one, it's I only got one earring because I wasn't gonna get this one, but I just think they're super cute, so it's really, really nice. So after that accessories, so we do have a bag or mini bag. So I call it like, you know, a fashion mini bag. So this one is this really cute for the evening to go. It's just a fashion bag, guys. So, and you can put the coins in here. So if you want to wear something like a really cute dress going to like a ladies day, or just anywhere, something you want to be cute, and then it'll fit your iPhone or something like that, and then your lipstick and your other makeup in here. So that's super cute. This one is a little bit big. It's actually good full size. It does have the sling in here. It's kind of like that, like crossbody bag that you guys can wear, and you have packet inside. This one, it's my other things that I really like because this is super, super, super cute. You open it right here, and then you open it here, and then it has that like another crossbody, but there are it's a really mini one. They're super cute, right? That's inside. And the last one is my favorite one, guys, because it is a pink heart. So this is my favorite one. The zipper is all the way zipper like this. So let me open for you guys so you guys can see. Like that. This is like a very shiny materials. I don't think you can fit your phone in here, like, but you can definitely put your money or your mini wallet in here inside, and then of course your lipstick. So it's like a crossbody. You wear some nice dress. If you wear a nice dress, that's the one. This is the free, whoever had the most invite, the most engaged on my video will receive this set. This is a blush all-in-one. You can do lipstick, you can do blush, you can do eyeshadow, you can pretty much do all your makeup in this one. This is the extra gift to the first winner. And of course, there's a free gift for that one. I'm gonna put some sweet in there. When you receive your boxes, you're not just getting your makeup, your accessories, so you're also getting a sweet. So just to make sure that you do read the description in the bottom and just follow that. Easy mechanic, or easy to, if you really wanted to win, just read the description, so you guys just follow that one. And just make sure that whoever you invited, type your names, just invited from or invited to or something like that. So just do you guys think, and I hope you guys like everything that I showed you guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys later again. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now to make sure that you guys will not miss any of my giveaway and my review. So I'll see you guys again later. Bye.